to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to take you through my grocery shopping. That will take us almost 2 months. Others items will take us for a month because we're a family of 6 people. These are green pepper. They costed 2,000 Ugandan shillings. Carrots, they costed 3,000 Ugandan shillings. Tomatoes, 10,000 Ugandan shillings. Pumpkin costed 5,000 shillings. Avocado costed 10,000 shillings. Oatmeal costed 1,000 shillings. Cabbage 2,000. Garlic 2,000. Watermelon, these ones 5,000. I don't know how they call these in English, but in Uganda it's called katunkuma. It was for 3,000 shillings. These are all vegetables. So we are going to cross over to sauce. These are sauce that will last us for 2 months. Each kavera is 1 kilo, and each kilo is 9,000 shillings for cowpeas. This 1 kilo is 6,500 shillings. This is meat. Each kilo is 15,000. We purchased 8 kilos, which costed us 120 Ugandan shillings. The meat, I packed them in this reusable zipper bag, which we got from Capital Shoppers in Kampala. I even have a measuring scale, which I measure kilos. I pack in kilos my meat. The matoke was for 15,000 shillings and the nakati was for 5,000 shillings. The cassava was for 5,000 shillings and the yams were also for 5,000 shillings. We wash our yams and cassava before peeling them. All these items, we purchased them in the Kasero market. I'm going to put this in a saucepan for sorting before packing them into the fridge. I store my cowpeas and beans in the freezer without washing them. I only wash them when I'm going to cook them. And this is me putting it in the freezer.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray.
I pack my cowpeas and beans in these polythene papers, and then I put in the deep freezer.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, really gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing. Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up.
All of these have been washed except the tomatoes. I'm going to leave them unwashed for them to ripen a bit before packing them into the fridge. I pack my vegetables into containers. These are carrots. I put them in a tight container. In an airtight container. These are my green peppers. They're also in a tight container. These are my cornmeal. Some call them coriander. To preserve them, you put a paper towel here or a serviette. You don't wash them, you don't cut off the roots. This can stay fresh for 2 or 3 weeks. I'm going to put them in the fridge. Store them here. Here and here. Here I'll put my tomatoes. I'll remove this and I put tomatoes there. I'll put my tomatoes there. Yeah. I blend my tomatoes. This thing can last you for a week. 5 days or a week. When I cook my beans and cowpeas, I pack them in a zipper bag. Here, it's where I keep my cooked sauce. Like that. These are cowpeas, cooked cowpeas. They're supposed to be 4 packs, but today I've cooked 1. And I've left others raw. These can last me 3 weeks because each week I cook 1 pack. After 3 weeks, I'll boil the ones I put in the freezer, deep freezer. These ones I'm going to put them in the freezer where I put cooked food.
Can't wait, a first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place.
I store my greens like this. This will last me days in the normal fridge. You can either put them somewhere like this or in the door fridge. This is not a freezer, it's a fridge. The upper part is the freezer where I put my cooked things. But this down compartment, this one, it's where I put my matoke in these boveras, ordinary boveras. That's where I put matoke. I don't put matoke in freezer in a deep freezer, sorry, because for me it tastes funny. But here, when you put them in this compartment, it can last you for a week. You just get your Kavera, you go and prepare. Even here you can put your matoke. It can last you like 2 days here. But here it can last you a week or 2. Make sure you slide this to high. Even sometimes things here get frozen. Yeah. The fridge is warning me. I've over opened it. I also put oranges here. Here can last even 3 months in this down compartment without getting spoiled. But if your power is on and off, they can get spoiled very quickly. Then when I peel my cassava, I put them in the freezer. The trick is when you're cooking it, cook it with its ice. Otherwise it becomes soggy. Let me show you my frozen cassava. It's not that frozen because we peeled it this morning. In the freezer it can last you 3 months. You get what you're going to eat, then you put it back. This is the cassava. It's a cassava. If you want, you can put it in the zipper bags, but me, I prefer these ones.
Catch me if I